Just pulled into Underwood Family Farms here in Moorpark. It's a little bit before 9. They open in a few minutes. It's actually cold too. It's only 60 degrees this morning. Got pants on for the first time so far this year. Come every year. It's a huge pumpkin patch with farm center. There's animals, hayrides, all sorts of things. So we're going to go inside, have some fun. Hopefully it's not too cold. And we'll take some pictures and video.
And up she rises, and up she rises, and up she rises early in the morning.
So that was a lot of fun, just leaving Underwood Farms here in Moorpark. It got insanely crowded, like really fast. We got here a little bit before 9 when they opened, and the place is just like jammed. Not necessarily unsafe, but just a lot of people. They have a hayride. There's a pick your own field. You can pick all kinds of vegetables. They've got tons and tons of pumpkins. A lot of tractors to look at, a huge petting zoo. There's as you saw, a singing chicken show. Yes, a singing chicken show. There's a couple little markets, some snacks, all kinds of things for the kids and families to do. So if you're looking for something fun and harvesty this season, definitely head out to Moorpark. It's right between Simi Valley and Moorpark off the 23 freeway. Pretty easy to get to. Underwood Family Farm. It is cheaper to come during the week. So if you have some free time during the weekend, it's not nearly as crowded. So I would recommend either getting here as soon as they open on the weekends or coming on a weekday, but it's a good time.